back on this one. Man, we're back and forth, back and forth. The good thing is, I'm just only right over the hill here, so that's close. Got to get gravel. Ideally, I like to get gravel. Maybe the water line ran. Hard to say. Who knows what the day holds. Hammer hauled 4 the other day, 1 today, and then the concrete guys gave me 20 tons. So we should have enough. So I told Hammer I don't think we'll need more. Let's see what we got. Another good thing too, the pit's only in a dump truck 15 minutes over the hill. Oh, chunk of concrete. Guess the framers want this filled up so they don't. Everybody's getting soft these days. They have all these demands of stuff they want before they'll work. I don't know how that overdig got so big. I dug right on the lines. They must have stepped the walls back in the hole. Cole, did you bring your horse today? No. You got your cowgirl shoes on. Yeah. I figured you brought your horse.
No.
Oh, okay.
What?
Cole, open it up and energize that piece of crap. See if that bit, that one time Idaho was wrestling, I thought he had a baby midget over there he was wrestling with.
Yeah, you gotta keep it clean.
What Hammer says.
Oh, he wants earmuffs.
I tell you, I found these ain't too bad for sparkling chick drink. Whatever. Kinda, I don't know. I'm so back and forth on shit. What the hell's he doing? Hammer went to the porta potty, got some toilet paper put in his ears. One time we were there, he picked up cigarette butts off the street and put them in his ear. He's wilder than a jackcat and a rabbit style. He's whooped him Gangnam style. Ain't he, Cole?
Yeah.
That thing will make you hate life. What he got? What's that? What?
You want some of this?
I don't need to wipe my ass. That's the crappy stuff too.
I know.
Of course the tip's all jammed up. Go get a BFH. He's new. I put him on a mission. He's I just said try to get that point out. That's what it is, because the point's not, it's wanting it to spin. So he's on a mission. He'll bang the shit out of it. Hammer's thing, if he can't fix it, first thing he does, like if anything on a dump truck, first thing he does is grab a hammer or a wrench and he starts pounding on it. He thinks he can beat everything into submission, which that might work 30% of the time. Another 30 probably breaks whatever he's beating on, and then maybe the other 20 he probably throws what he was beating on it with. It's a gamble. You guys hear that? Sounds like a rabid woodpecker. That's a nice cold scene. Yeah, it's just Hammer and Cole getting right with it. We got the tip fixed. Little bang persuasion.
See that? Clean it up. Blow it up.
You getting it, Cole?
Yeah.
You'll see a big explosion. I'm gonna get this backfilled, and I don't know if we're gonna get that water line. I don't know if I feel that goddamn gun ho today. Jeez Louise. Hate when that pea gravel gets in your tracks and crunches and pops. I tell you, it's like 12:30. I think I'm done. I don't feel like getting into that other project. It's too late. The water line, we'd still have to run it, get it and everything. Starting that septic tomorrow, so I think I'm gonna go run a couple loads of sand. What do you think, unit?
Looks good.
God dang right it looks good. How'd that hole go?
Good.
Little banging, cussing, beating.
Yeah.
That's how it always goes. Not too bad of a blowout. I think I ought to put it a little lower, but oh well. All right, come with me. Let's go haul some sand possibly. Well, hell, I might get home not even want to do that. Stay tuned. We got them backed up. I got a little off camber here. Had to get the concrete guy to give me a little nudge. They're probably mad.